Snowmans. Bring it here, bubbies. Bring it right here. Come on, bring it here. Give me it. Drop it. Good boy. Go get it. Good boy. Come on. Bring it here. Come on, bring it here. Bring it here, bubbies. Drop it. Let me have it. Oh. Yeah. You ready? There you go, bubbies. Bring it here, bubs. Bring it here. Bring it here. Drop it. Drop it. Yeah, let me have it. Drop it. No, that's a good boy. He's a good boy. Snowman, it went down there. Let's go get it. Let's go get the toy. Let's go get the toy. Go get the toy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It's the dog park. Yay. Snowman. It's right here, bubbies. Look. You ready? Go get it. I guess he's tired. Snowman. Come on, Dixie. I threw the ball up here and he didn't go get it, so I guess he's getting tired of going to fetch. Oh, look, he found it. He found it before I got to it. And he's trying to eat the ball. There's a fire hydrant for the doggies. Oh, there goes Dixie peeing on it. There he goes. He got it. Bring it here, Snowman. Drop it. Stop chewing on it. You can't eat the ball. You ready? You ready for it? Go get it. Drop it. Drop it. There goes the Snowman going to get the ball for him's daddy. Bring it here, bubbies. Drop it. Drop it. Let me have it. Good boy. You ready? You ready? And this is his little toy that we got him. I got his other ball in the pocket. Because we only need one ball. And this is one we found at the park. You ready? Go get it. Dixie. And there's Dixie. Dixie! Dixie! Come here, baby girl. Dixie! Oh, Dixie! Where's the Dixie? Hi, Dixie. Hi, Dixie. Hi, Dixie. Hi. Say hi to the camera, Dixie. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. And now they're both running after it. Nope. One turned the other way. Come on, bubbies. Bring it here, bubs. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy.